The national flag of Bosnia and Herzegovina is more than just a colorful banner. It is a powerful visual narrative of a country's complex and often turbulent history. Unlike many national flags that evolve organically over centuries, Bosnia and Herzegovina's current standard was a deliberate creation. Born from the necessity of peace after a devastating civil war, its design reflects not a shared history of glory, but a conscious effort to forge a unified future out of a divided past. This paper will provide a detailed, factual analysis of the flag's origins and its symbolism, set against a broader overview of the nation it represents. The vexillological history of Bosnia and Herzegovina is a chronicle of shifting allegiances and political identities. Before the current flag's adoption, the region was represented by a series of symbols that reflected its changing status within larger empires and states. The first widely recognized Bosnian state flag belonged to the medieval Kingdom of Bosnia. From 1377 to 1463, its banner featured the coat of arms of the Kotromanic dynasty, a white field with a blue shield containing 6 golden lilies, Lilium bosniacum, around a white bend. This flag, with its distinctive golden lilies, would be resurrected in a modern context. Following the Ottoman conquest in 1463, Bosnia and Herzegovina, as part of the Ottoman Empire, used the empire's red flag with a white crescent and star. This period of direct foreign rule erased any independent national symbols. When the Austro-Hungarian Empire annexed the territory in 1908, a new set of flags emerged, reflecting the new dual monarchy structure. The province of Bosnia was represented by a red and yellow horizontal bicolor, while Herzegovina used a reversed yellow and red bicolor. The most significant pre-1998 flag was adopted after Bosnia and Herzegovina declared independence from Yugoslavia in 1992. The new Republic of Bosnia and Herzegovina adopted the medieval Kotromanic flag, a white field with a blue shield and golden lilies, to represent the newly independent state. However, this flag quickly became a point of contention. While it was a symbol of statehood for many Bosniaks, Bosnian Serbs and Croats rejected it, viewing it as a symbol of Bosniak-only identity. Given its historical association with the Bosnian Kingdom and its widespread use by the Bosniak-dominated Bosnian army during the war. The end of the Bosnian War in 1995 with the signing of the Dayton Agreement left the country politically and ethnically fragmented. The need for a new national flag that could be accepted by all 3 constituent peoples, Bosniaks, Serbs, and Croats, was paramount. However, the country's parliament failed to reach a consensus, with proposals consistently vetoed by one group or another. As a result of this political deadlock, the then UN High Representative, Carlos Westendorp, exercised his authority to unilaterally impose a new flag in 1998. The design was chosen specifically for its neutrality and lack of overt historical ties to any single ethnic group. The core of its symbolism is intentionally abstract and inclusive. The dark blue field, this color represents Europe and is a direct homage to the flag of the European Union, symbolizing Bosnia and Herzegovina's aspirations for integration with the continent. The yellow triangle, the 3 points of the isosceles triangle, are the most prominent symbol of unity. They represent the country's 3 main constituent peoples, Bosniaks, Croats, and Serbs. The triangle also approximates the geographical shape of the country's territory. The row of white stars, the stars are meant to represent Europe and are continuous from top to bottom, with the 2 half stars at the top and bottom symbolizing infinity and a constant, unwavering connection to the European continent. This new flag, while criticized by some for being imposed and lacking historical roots, successfully provided a neutral symbol of statehood where none could be agreed upon democratically. It is a symbol of coexistence and a forward-looking aspiration for peace and stability. To truly understand the flag, one must understand the country itself. Situated in the heart of southeastern Europe, Bosnia and Herzegovina is defined by its mountainous terrain, its rich river systems, and its unique geopolitical position. The country's history is marked by a blend of Slavic, Ottoman, and Austro-Hungarian influences, which have shaped its culture. architecture, and religious landscape. The Dayton Agreement created a complex and highly decentralized political structure, dividing the state into two entities: the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, predominantly Bosniak and Croat, and the Republika Srpska, predominantly Serb. With the city of Brčko serving as a self-governing district. The capital and largest city, Sarajevo, is a melting pot of cultures, home to centuries of history. From Ottoman-era bazaars to the site of the assassination that sparked World War I. The country's population of approximately 3.5 million is composed of Bosniaks, Serbs, and Croats, each with their own distinct cultural traditions. Although the official languages, Bosnian, Serbian, and Croatian, are mutually intelligible, this ethnic and cultural diversity, while at times a source of conflict, is also the nation's defining characteristic and its greatest strength. The journey of Bosnia and Herzegovina's flag is a microcosm of the country's own journey. From the proud medieval symbol of a kingdom, through periods of foreign domination, to the contentious banner of independence, the flag has always been a reflection of the nation's political state. The current flag stands as a testament to the difficult and often painful compromises required to build a lasting peace, offering a beacon of hope for a future defined by unity rather than division.